Griffin still getting around here in the front of the field. And everybody comes piling in. Good job of avoiding by most of the drivers. And not any major damage, I